I'm Sherri L. Editor-in-Chief of Laptop Mag, and we are here in New Jersey at Maingear. And for those of you who are unfamiliar with the brand, they make amazing custom desktops and laptops. And we're just gonna go inside and see how the magic happens. So Ron, we are in the headquarters of Maingear. This is where all the magic happens. Talk to us about the custom job that goes into every Maingear desktop.
Yeah, first of all, it's so excited for you guys to be here in our new home. A little sneak peek, it's not finished yet, but you know, we take so much pride in the way that we build our PCs. And so every Maingear PC is built start to finish by one person with the same attention to detail as though you built it yourself. And we take that really seriously because with custom PCs, it's more of a, I guess you could say almost like art form. Like we only hire passionate PC builders. We hire people who love this space, and you want them to build the PC the way they would build it themselves, and you want that to come across. That attention to detail is just crazy important to us.
Absolutely, because I mean, I've reviewed your desktops and you've sent me things that start at $2,000. You've also sent me things that are over $10,000, and there's the same level of detail and attention, particularly with the cooling and the tube. Like, what goes into that?
Yeah, so you know, one of the things we've become really known for is our amazing liquid cooling. So currently our flagship is what we call Apex, which is our crazy hardline open loop liquid cooling. We take everything to the next level, so it's custom designed water blocks, custom designed reservoirs. It's a fully custom system that's unique to us. We also are the only company that really designs the chassis around the liquid cooling, and so they happen simultaneously at the same time. And the amount of attention, like if watching these guys build this, it's shocking how much time they spend on every little detail, every cable, every fitting, making sure the tubes are level. All those little details really matter.
And what I really like is if you are too scared to open up your system and tweak it yourself, like let's say you want to switch out components, like you do offer that service to customers. Like, how much does that cost? How long does the turnaround usually take?
Yeah, so we include lifetime support with all of our systems because that's really important. Because beyond the warranty, if you have any questions, you can call us in. Customers can come in if they're local and drop it off at our facility, and we basically just charge the component cost in order to do the upgrade. But the other part is we try to design the stuff to be user serviceable as much as possible. So, for example, our liquid cooling loops, we have drain fill ports and ways to drain it that are easier. So if you want to top it off, you don't have to send it in to us at all. You just kind of pour some extra coolant in and you're good to go for you know, as long as you need to be.
And like, we are talking about desktops, but talk to me a little bit about the mobile space, the laptop space, because you also do laptops. I review quite a few of those as well.
Yeah, so right now we have our Vector Pro line available exclusively at Micro Center. And then direct from us, we have our Element Light, which is a thin and light, kind of like work and play notebook. So it's Intel integrated graphics, but it's really thin, so it's great. But you can play like esports titles on it. Our Vector Pros though are fully high spec AMD, Intel, high-end NVIDIA graphics cards, and so just really good gaming experience, but in a form factor that's still portable. And that's the one thing that I think is important, is you don't want like the overly chunky notebooks that are really awkward. You want it to be a laptop at the end of the day, not something you have to leave on a desk.
I mean, I appreciate my big betties. Like, I appreciate my big betties and my slim sallies.
Different for everyone.
Indeed.
I like the medium thickness notebooks at the top end, at least personally, where you can still throw it in a backpack and get somewhere. You don't have to like have a suitcase or in order to lug it around.
And of course, you're still doing the custom paint. Like, I know that it's not in this facility yet, but it's still coming. Please tell me you're still offering the chameleon paint. That's the best thing ever.
We offer a full range of actual automotive paint jobs, as you know. So we have a downdraft automotive spray booth. That means a couple things. We can color match any car, basically, that's ever been made. We can do specialty finishes like the chameleon that you like so much.
I love it so much.
And then we have our mark process where we basically paint the computer and then we apply a graphics direct to the paint and then clear coat on top of it. So you can do custom artwork, custom branding, custom is really important to us.
Is that 3D finish that we saw a couple years back at, I guess, the last CES we did in person? Is that still going to be a thing?
Oh, like the textured?
Yeah.
Yeah, we can do textured stuff. The sky is really the limit with our mark process. It's kind of up to the creativity of the person and what they ask for.
And the other cool thing about this is, yes, you absolutely are doing Maingear, but you also do a lot of work for a lot of other companies. Like I see some Razer things back there.
Yeah.
And like there has to be a reason that Razer is coming to you.
Twice now. So this is our second generation of the R1. We're the exclusive system builder that's selling a Razer edition with their new Tomahawk chassis. Razer, I'm sure you know, launched a full line of desktop components, and so we're carrying all of that, and we're building a lot of them. It's a really cool partnership. I mean, Razer is obviously such a integral part of PC gaming at this point, and so we're really excited to work with them for a second time. It's been really good for us.
And in terms of branching out, like I see, the place is teeming with Maingear chairs.
I know.
That I do not have. And you know we review gaming chairs. What's the deal? Where are gaming chairs?
I apologize, first of all. Those have been so cool. And I remember talking to you about this originally because, there's so many companies that like put their name on a product. And like they grab a generic off-the-shelf kind of thing and then they stitch their name to it and now they have a chair. And you know us, like we take product development and what we do so seriously that we spent forever. We literally got like pressure testing done on the chair where you sit on it with a mat that measures like the pressure and you optimize the comfort of the chair. And we do that with everything. We launched a backpack that we spent like almost like a year designing. If I could tell you the amount of testing we put into our mouse pad and the material choices that went into it, and like stitching quality and ways to seal the ends, whether or not it like tracked DPI correctly on mice. Like we're obsessive when it comes to all of our products.
Well, we want to see more of those on Laptop Mag.
I know.
Like
I owe you some stuff.
You do. You like our readers
yeah.
need to know about this stuff. So I'm glad that we can have this conversation and show our readers around a little bit of Maingear's new facility. And for more on Maingear and everything, desktops, laptops, VR headsets, headphones, you name it, we do it. Stay tuned to Laptop Mag.